Imagine this for a moment. What if you had a secret power? A power so strong that you could reach inside someone's mind and guide their thoughts. Not just understand them, but influence them. Their emotions, their decisions, even the way they see you. Whether it's your boss, your friend, a stranger, or your crush, imagine being able to steer them gently without them even realizing it. Sounds like magic, right? But it's not. It's psychology. Pure psychology. This is the same weapon that some of the world's greatest manipulators, leaders, and influencers use. Not to hypnotize people, but to guide their minds. They've used it for decades to make people agree, obey, or believe, all while thinking they're acting on their own free will. And today, you're about to learn these same psychological secrets. But here's your warning. This knowledge is powerful. Use it wisely, because once you understand how it works, you'll never look at people or the world the same way again. Let's start with one of the oldest tricks of the mind, reverse psychology. Human nature is strange. We always want what we're told we can't have. The moment someone says, "Don't do it," our brain whispers, "Do it anyway." That's our quiet weakness, the desire to rebel. And when you understand that weakness, you gain power. Imagine this. You tell someone, "Don't look behind you." What's the first thing they'll do? They'll look back. Or if you say, "Don't watch this video," your mind instantly wants to click it. That's reverse psychology, a subtle mental game. You don't order someone to do something, you forbid it, and their own ego makes them do it. Now think, what if you could use this in real life? Let's say you want your friend to help you with something. If you directly say, "Hey, do this for me," they might refuse or delay it. But if you say, "Forget it, it's a bit difficult, I don't think you can handle it," what happens? Their pride kicks in, their ego wakes up, and suddenly they want to do it to prove you wrong. That's how you guide people, not by force, but by triggering their instincts. It looks like their decision, but the direction, that was yours. Powerful, right? Yes, but dangerous too, because they'll never realize you were in control. Now, let's talk about the second tool, the illusion of choice. Here's the truth. People love to feel in control, even when they're not. You don't have to take away someone's freedom. You just have to shape the options they see. Real power lies not in forcing a decision, but in framing it. For example, you want your friend to go out with you. If you say, "Let's go out," they might refuse. But if you say, "Hey, should we go to Pizza Hut or Domino's?" Now they only have two options, both leading exactly where you want. They'll pick one, feel in control, but in reality, they chose your outcome. That's what marketers do. That's what politicians do. Buy one, get one free, limited time offer. You feel smart for choosing, but they designed the game. Remember this, people don't want freedom. They want the feeling of freedom. So don't take away their choices. Just control which ones they see, and you'll control their decisions. Next comes one of the most powerful emotional triggers, guilt. Guilt is like a door that opens from the inside. You can't break it open, but you can make someone open it themselves. Think about this. You have a friend who always cancels plans. If you confront them angrily, "You never have time for me," they'll defend themselves or avoid you. But if you softly say, "It's okay, I understand. If I were more important, maybe you'd find the time," you've just planted guilt gently, without pressure. Now their heart feels it. They'll start explaining, apologizing, making time for you, not because you forced them, but because they want to make things right. That's the power of emotional leverage. You didn't control them, their own guilt did. Remember this line, when logic fails, emotion succeeds. Every decision you make, you think it's logical, but it's not. It's emotional.
People don't decide with their minds, they decide with their hearts. And whoever controls emotions controls the mind. Think about how politicians speak. They don't give you facts, they give you feelings, fear, anger, pride, hope. And in those emotional moments, people vote, act, buy, and later regret. That's an emotional hijack. A single burst of emotion can rewrite logic. Someone in love, guilt, or fear can make choices they'll regret for life. So if you want to guide someone, don't argue with logic. Speak to their emotions. Because people might forget what you said, but they'll never forget how you made them feel.
Now, the final and deepest psychological weapon, silence. Silence is not weakness. It's presence. It's power. You've probably felt it. When someone scolds you loudly, it's annoying, but when someone just looks at you quietly, it shakes you. Silence makes the other person's mind start talking. They imagine what you're thinking. They feel discomfort, guilt, pressure. People think those who talk more are powerful, but real strength lies in the one who can stay calm and quiet while others lose control. If you want someone to confess, don't beg them to speak. Just say, "I already know everything," and go silent. That silence will eat away at their comfort until they speak on their own. Or if someone is yelling, don't yell back. Look them in the eye, stay calm, maybe even smile slightly. In that moment, they lose power. Their anger collapses under your silence. Silence is control. When everyone else is making noise, your calm becomes dominance. These tools, reverse psychology, choice framing, the guilt trap, emotional hijack, and the power of silence, are the unseen forces that shape human behavior every day. Used ethically, they can help you communicate better, lead better, and understand people more deeply. Used wrongly, they can destroy trust, relationships, and peace of mind. So use this power wisely. Don't use it to manipulate. Use it to inspire, to influence positively, to connect, not control. Because the moment you understand how minds truly work, you stop being the follower and start becoming a master of your own influence. Keep learning, keep observing, keep growing. Every day, think new, feel new, be new.